Hello friends, and welcome to the unboxing of the D-Link DIR 615 wireless router. It supports speeds of up to 300 Mbps, and the external antennas increase your network's coverage so you can get a reliable connection throughout your home. The router ships with 3 years warranty and 5 dBi long range antenna. And of course it has WPS support. So when you turn to the back, you'll find the port information at the left, and at the right, you'll find information regarding range and speed. So let's open the box and have a look at the contents. So when you first open the box, you'll find the warranty information and the quick installation guide. Then you'll find your router. This particular model comes with a dual antenna. At the back of the router, you'll find 4 LAN ports, 1 WAN port, and a power port. So apart from that, you'll find an Ethernet cable and a power adapter. So let's start with the physical connections. We start by connecting the power cable to the power port. Then we take our internet service provider cable and insert it into the WAN port, which is the yellow port over here. Then we take the Ethernet cable and insert it in one of these slots. Those are the LAN ports. And the other end of it, we insert into the Ethernet port of a computer. And then we turn our device on. So once your device is on, you'll see all these respective LEDs lit. This is the power LED. This is the Wi-Fi LED, which indicates that your device is transmitting a Wi-Fi signal. That is the internet LED, which will be lit only if you're connected to the internet. So that suggests that we have an active internet connection. This LED indicates that your computer has been connected to the first LAN port. So once we are done with the physical connections, let's go to the computer and open a web browser. Let's enter our router's IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. You'll be prompted with a login dialog where you have to enter the username as admin and leave the password blank. That's the default settings for your router. So from there, you'll be directed to a status page, and to configure your router, you have to go into the setup menu, click on internet setup. You'll arrive at this page where you have to enter all the information provided to you by your internet service provider. So my WAN access type is PPPoE. It might be different to you. You also enter the username and password provided to you by your internet service provider. There's another field called as the service name, which is blank for me, but if your service provider has provided you with a service name, it is mandatory that you enter it. Once you're done, you click on apply changes. So what we do next is we go to the wireless settings. So this is the page where we allot a name and password to our wireless connection. As of now, let's go with the default name. Let's select the security type to be WPA2, as that is supposed to be the strongest kind of security. And this is where you set your password. And click on apply. And you're done with your wireless configuration. So let's just quickly check our status, and I can see a public IP address. That means it's connected to the internet. So let us test our connection. And as we can see, it's perfectly fine and working. So that's how you configure a D-Link DIR 615 wireless router.